another one.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lancaster County in southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Seward County in southeastern Nebraska, western Otoe County in southeastern Nebraska, northeastern Saline County in southeastern Nebraska, northwestern Gage County in southeastern Nebraska, western Cass County in southeastern Nebraska, until 5:30 a.m. At 4:39 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over southern Lincoln, moving east at 60 miles per hour.
That's not that
Expected
bad.
hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: Weather Instrument Measurement observed 66 miles per hour
That's
wind gusts in
observed,
northern
so that's
Lincoln,
not confirmed.
Nebraska at
But we're not
4:35
gonna,
a.m.
we're gonna still say this anyway.
Impact,
Ring,
hail
you.
damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Is that way confirmed?
This severe thunderstorm will be near eastern Lincoln, Holmes Lake Park, and Walton around 4:45 a.m. Eagle around 4:50 a.m. Palmyra around 4:55 a.m. This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 385 and 426. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Of course, the flash flooding.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 05:30 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Cass, Gage, Lancaster, Otoe, Saline, and Seward.
Beep, beep, beep. Okay, anyway, that's it.